The question is solve for x. 2x minus 3 into 4x plus 1 is equal to 2 into x minus 1 plus 5. So this is linear equation in one variable. The variable is x, so we have to determine the value of x. So simply, what is the first step? First step is you have to sort the brackets. Okay, 2x minus 3 into 4x. 3 into 4 is 12. So 12x minus 3 into plus 1. So it is minus 3. While multiplying the bracket, you have to carry the sign of the multiple. The sign is minus here. So minus 3 into 4x is plus 12x. Minus 3 into plus 1 is minus 3. Is equal to 2 into x is 2x. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 5. Okay. So 2x minus 12x minus 3 is equal to 2x minus 2 plus 5. Now shift all the variables, all the terms with variables on left hand side, and shift all the coefficients, constant coefficients, on right hand side. So 2x minus 12x minus 2x plus 2x, it's shifted to left hand side, so plus is converted to minus. Now minus 3 is shifted to right hand side. In the previous step it is on left hand side, so minus 3 is transposed on right hand side, so it is plus 3. Minus 2 plus 5 will remain as it is. 2x minus 2x cancelled. Minus 12x plus 2x minus 2x is 0 actually. So minus 12x is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1 plus 5. So minus 12x is equal to 6. Okay. So minus 12x is equal to 6. So x is equal to minus 12 is multiplied to x. So while transposing on right hand side, it will divide the right hand side term. So 6 divided by minus 12. So x is equal to 6 is dividing 6 and minus 12. So 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12. So minus 2. So the value of x is 1 by minus 2, that is minus 0.5.